Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable EMD tracking with Stewart Title closing documentation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable EMD tracking with Stewart Title closing documentation, start by logging into your Stewart Title account. Navigate to the main dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the closing documentation section in the dashboard menu. Click on closing documentation to access the related options. Within the closing documentation interface, find the EMD tracking option. Select the EMD tracking link to proceed. You will see an option to enable tracking for earnest money deposits. Toggle the switch to enable EMD tracking. After enabling, fill out the required fields for the EMD tracking settings. These fields typically include transaction details, deposit amounts, and involved parties' information. Double-check all the entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to finalize the EMD tracking setup. Review any prompts or messages that confirm the tracking has been successfully enabled. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, navigate back to the closing documentation dashboard. Look for an updated status indicating that EMD tracking is now active. Monitor the EMD tracking section regularly to stay updated on any changes. For further assistance, refer to the help documentation provided by Stewart Title. You can also contact their support team if you encounter any issues. This process should allow you to effectively track earnest money deposits using Stewart Title closing documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.